Alright, so today we're going to take a look at my Renpho body weight scale. This is basically there to measure your weight. I bought this probably a couple months ago, and it's been pretty cool. This is a great way to kind of track your weight, or if you're looking to gain muscle, or I guess track your physical being. This is a pretty good option because it does more than just check your weight. So let me take it out of the bathroom, and that way you can kind of get a closer look at it without the bathroom fan going off. Okay, so yeah, this is the Renpho weight scale. It's battery operated and it measures a lot of different things. So we'll take a closer look. So right back here, as you can see, it comes with 3 AAA batteries. When I bought this, they were actually included, so I haven't had to change them yet. Again, I've had it for a couple of months. And then this is where you're going to change it. It's easy, you just slide the door right up like that, and then just remove the batteries, pop this back on. Down here at the bottom, it has like these soft rubber kind of gripping feet, so it's not going to scratch up any kind of wood floors that you might have. Here's some more, looks like, product information on there. It's made in China, the power source, and the model number. Then when we flip this over, here's what it looks like here. So it has these metal sensors right here, and supposedly what they're going to do is they shoot a small electric charge through your body, and that's how it measures your water weight, your BMI, just a lot of different things, more than just your weight. So the electric charge that shoots through you, you can't feel it, it's next to nothing, but it can read it somehow. I don't know how that works. If you do, be sure to leave a comment below. Maybe you can explain it to the rest of us. And then right here is a digital, some sort of digital screen, so when you step on it, it's going to see the different numbers on there. This part right here feels like glass, or it might be plexiglass. It actually feels like glass, but when I tap on it, it sounds like plexiglass, so I'm not too sure about that. But it's pretty durable. It doesn't feel like it's going to just break on you. And then it's pretty thin as well. But yeah, very, very simple looking design. It's not some huge obstruction that you see some scales being. This one is really, really a slim design. So let's go ahead and stand on it, and then we can see what the scale looks like. Okay, so as you can see, we're just standing right over it, and then once you connect on it, then it starts to measure you. And it starts blinking, letting you know it's shooting a charge through you. And it's thinking, and that's done. So that's it. This is really far off. This is not anywhere close to my ideal weight. I'm actually about 180. It's only reading 107. But that's no fault of the scale. The reason is because we are on carpet. So you want to be sure to put it onto a firm surface, because what's happening is these feet are just kind of sinking into the carpet, so it's not reading my weight correctly. But that's really easy. That's exactly how the scale works. But that's not the best part of the scale. The best part of the scale is you can go to their website or in the App Store and just type in Renpho after you buy this, and then you can download the app. And basically, the app connects to your iPhone or Android device after you stepped on it. Then once you stepped on it, like I did right now, it stores the information until you open your app, and then this connects with your phone and it shares information. So all the information that it just gathered from me, so it gathered my water weight, my BMI, my bone density, and my actual weight, it's going to send it to my cell phone, and that way I can kind of flip through and see what it tracked for today. And the cool thing is it'll track it day by day. It logs the date. That way over time, over a month or 2 months or 6 months or whatever it is that you do, it's going to show you if your weight is increasing or decreasing. And it looks like kind of like a stock chart, so it's like this, depending on where your weight fluctuates. So that's really cool. It kind of, I feel like it holds you more accountable, because if you feel like you lost weight compared to, since, June 13th, 2015, up until now, you've lost 32 pounds and your water weight's been here and your bone density has increased to this. I think that's something a little bit more motivating than just looking at your weight every day. So that's kind of cool about this company. I don't know where this company's from. This was made in China. I guess that doesn't necessarily mean that they're in China, but who cares? I ended up choosing this one because it's half the price of some of its competitors that my friends have. This one seemed to have pretty good reviews, so for me it just kind of made sense. And then as far as the information that this gathers, they can share information with a lot of the more popular apps like Fitbit or whatever else. It's kind of like you can integrate it in with the app as well. So that's kind of cool. I guess that's probably a standard for any of these newer scales or fitness companies, things like that. And then right here, this is metal on top of this glass or whatever. So it's pretty sturdy. It doesn't really feel like, sometimes when you get things, they're kind of flimsy. This is not flimsy. This feels really sturdy. It feels like it's going to keep working for a long time. But yeah, this is the Renpho body weight scale. Be sure to click the description for more information. And if you like the video, click subscribe. And hope to see you on next time for more product reviews. Thanks for watching.